Hello everyone. Welcome back to the crypto market analysis on April feed. So um, I sold all of my altcoin. Yes. Um, Now I have only Bitcoin. Uh, let's see what's the reason of this, right? First, look at the Bitcoin market cap dominance daily chart. Um, the 200 moving average, 30-week moving average, it keep above. It break out the trend line over here, holding above 50 EMAs. Now it's curving up. If you look at the weekly chart of Bitcoin dominant, you will see it very similar to the May 19. Um, After it breaks the orange 30-week EMA here, right? It's gonna go straight up for the first wave, go sideways to consolidation, take a break for a few months, and then once it's break out the resistance line here, you're gonna keep going up. So based on this technical chart, if the history, the path happen again, Bitcoin dominant can well go to 60% or 62%. So at that point, we can revisit this chart. The two scenario at that point going to be every money gonna outflow of altcoin, go back to Bitcoin, and it's gonna go to 73%. If you see the big rejects sent over there, um, the altcoin maybe still alive at that time. So here's my theory why this year Bitcoin dominance is high. Yeah, as you know, it's a Bitcoin ETF. The inflow monies, it can come from everywhere. Not only the centralized chain like Coinbase or Binance, it can come from the traditional um, funds like the big money from 401k, IRAs, pension account. Only the Vanguard is one or second biggest money management company have not allowed to buy Bitcoin ETF, but BlackRock, Fidelity, the biggest one and the third one, and any brokers are allowed to buy it. So the money come to Bitcoin is high. Also for regular people, um, when you think about Bitcoin, the hassle of open up the Coinbase account, deposit money and buy coin and withdraw to hardware wallets is very troublesome for them, especially for the elderly people and the low tech like kindergarten teachers, for example. Um, they want to exposure to Bitcoin because they learn something, they see it going up the last 10 years. Um, but they don't know or don't want to buy and hold Bitcoin. So now they can do it in their retirement account, in their regular brokerage account. Um, so that's why the volume, when you see the BLX is a total Bitcoin liquidity um, for all the centralized exchange, you can see the volume on the exchange, trading on the centralized exchange like Coinbase or Binance or Kraken is getting lower and lower. Meaning there is many way to trade Bitcoin now. They can do it in the regular broker account, or they can do it by the future for the trader. So there is less demand to go on the centralized chain and buy. Coinbase now they can more put more priority for institution like BlackRock to buy a um, bunch of Bitcoin, no, a Bitcoin every day to satisfy their ETF inflow. But other than that, uh, it's less and less reason to buy it on satellite chain. That you could get hacked, you could get blocked by the phone positive algorithm. May I got it before. Like regularly, you have been using Coinbase for like 5 years or so, but my account blocked by no reason for a few months. I contact the customer support, the Twitter account, all kind of thing. And eventually it's open for me, but it's really bad experience. If I do it in Fidelity and Interactive Broker on the US major broker, or even the new one like Robinhood, their customer support is right away because they are registered in SEC. They need to have the procedure to deal with the customer support and lost fund and some sort of blocking banning as soon as possible, but not for central exchange like Coinbase or Kraken. Yeah, so now Bitcoin have more demand. How about altcoin, right? So um, let me show you something, right? I saw a lot of altcoin here, for example, Ripple, right? So so they have the few cycle already. Every time it can go 10x to 100x, right? So the two cycle is big, but the second cycle it could not break the all-time high. Now the last cycle here, um, even Bitcoin, Ethereum go almost close to all-time high. It do nothing, right? It go 100% go down, pump and dump, sideways. Um, so this one, if you keep doing it for long, those trader or investor on Ripple, uh, they don't have the patience to hold the coin anymore, and they can start bleeding down. So when it break down this resistance, I'm sorry, the support level here, I think this coin gonna go nowhere. The same chart for Stella. It's the same co-founder of Ripple. Um, so it's the same similar chart. My theory is the altcoin or shitcoin or the coin have not real value in the market. It's just like for the first two cycle, um, people gonna speculate, think, oh, there's a next Bitcoin, and everything gonna go up, right? Now everyone's once they learn more things, they know, oh, there is no second Bitcoin. Maybe the top one like Ethereum, Solana, they can fill the gap that Bitcoin could not do, like smart contracting. But most of 99% of another coin have no value. Meaning this time is they may not go back to their all-time high again, or even go to like come back to fifth 0.5 around here. Maybe they already done what was speculative running for the last two cycle, and they're gonna go bleeding and die. Litecoin too, right? Litecoin say I'm a silver, Bitcoin is gold. But what Litecoin doing? No one store money in Litecoin. No one use Litecoin for trading. Litecoin cannot do smart contract, and the founder of Litecoin, he stopped supporting it. He so owned a Litecoin in the 2017. The two cycle, the second one that touch the top, make a double top, and now it look like it's trying to go up, but it's gonna bump and dump, sideways bleeding and die. Um, yeah, so clearly the one here, this is the future of on coin. This is a Monero. Monero privacy coin is really high demand at the beginning because most of the traders that they support crypto, they want to have the high privacy. But the current problem is in the world, the sanction and money tightening, they monitor is not. So, so privacy coin really get punishment because the government they don't like it. That's a way for money laundering. Some the terrorist thing they using the coin, and Monero get delisted a lot for many exchanges. So you as you can see after the two cycle, it go here, it make a double top the current cycle. So every cycle have a timing, right? So the if the current time in the last cycle is gonna keep uh, going up, and the last one is a parabolic one. It looked very similar until the December 23. Uh, Instead of going up, it goes sideways and broke down, and everyone still holding hope for it and go come back up, but I think it's gonna bleeding down and die. Um, Another chart of similar issue, the no coin can go the above all-time high for this third cycle. Um, the one is Tron. It's a very centralized coin managed by Justin Sun in China. The coin is really so it dominates there because they have a lot of user, but they manipulate and they can easily manipulate and change their protocol. It's not global adoption. It's some part of the world using this. So the last two cycle, it come here. The second one, it try to break out. Is very close. So everyone think it's still alive. The current cycle is getting low or high, and the volume is very low. It start curving back down. If it, I think it don't keep bleeding and die. So many altcoin gonna be like that. So now my portfolio, I hold only Bitcoin. I'm not sure with the weakness of altcoin and overall crypto currency market right now. Uh, have any bad effects on Bitcoin or not? But currently, I'm hold half of my long-term holding portfolio in Bitcoin, um, and wait and see. Um, if Bitcoin can still hold about 60,000, uh, following this fractal, right? This fractal is compared with the May 19. It suggests after it make a fake out of 70,000, 73,000, it go back down. I suggest it could go sideways, up and down, or even try to break the all-time high one again, but it didn't. Uh, and if the Bitcoin can keep holding it, it could above 60,000, close to the halving and curving up again. I need to see the volatility. Volatility should going down, meaning the one wanted to sell, they sold already, and it curving up like this. It's I gonna add to my Bitcoin portfolio. But uh, as a trader, you always have at least two scenario, right? I found another scenario that suggests the upcoming month's gonna be the bearish signal for Bitcoin. One is on November 21. Um, After it goes sideways, it make a fake breakout at the all-time high here, um, and it make a trap, the bull trap, and then it go trap it down to could be go lower to 50,000. Another one is on January 18, the top of the 2017 cycle. is very similar based on the price action. You see the one peak here before it go to the top, peak, and go touch the top, and it go down to 50 EMA, the green line over here, and it go ABC, ABC retracement and start bleeding down. I hope it can hold above 60,000 until the halving. If by any reason it go below 60,000, it's gonna go very well below. It's gonna be big trouble for Bitcoin. It could go to 50,000 or even lower. And I don't know what next. We're gonna do step by step. Um, and also, I told you, I share with you guys in the last few last of my video that Bitcoin never have the 8 green months, right? In the past, uh, the highest one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The longest streak is 6 green months candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this time it have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So based on statically history result, this month gonna very likely high chance it will be a red month. And one red month by Bitcoin can be 15%, 20%, or well 30% is easily happened in the past. This time I hope it's gonna be narrower with more money in the market. It not too volatile like before, but we cannot. But this one red month. Let's see how this month close, and we gonna assess it again to see. It did come down here and go sideways for a few months. Actually, it's a bullish signal for Bitcoin, and I hope it can hold about 60,000, which is the real monthly close at all-time high in the top. If you check on the top of the last cycle top, right, it's 58,000 and 61,000. So 60,000 is really the big support, and it should hold above it. Yeah. Okay. If you have any question, ask me in the comments below. That is for today. I'm out.